Hi, I'm Emily with Lake Lifter, and today I'd like to show you our PWC integrated 1,600-pound winch motor. This DC system includes a powerful 12-volt motor, a precision machined winch box, and a fully enclosed battery control box. We have two control box options. We have a post-mounted box, which comes with a separate solar panel and mounting arm, as well as a dock-mounted box with the solar panel on top. Both come in manual and wireless options. For further questions, please contact us today. I'm Emily with Lake Lifter. Thanks for watching.